Hey kids, Kate Clinton here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm back in New York City and it's a sad day here in New York. It's the 13th anniversary of 9/11. Those two numbers will live in infamy. And on this day, I especially remember, as I remember him all the time, my across the hall neighbor, a firefighter named Kevin Bracken, who didn't return from his shift that day. Say his name out loud, Kevin Bracken, and let's remember. And then pray for everybody else, because the way that the whole terrorist attack was handled by goat boy George Bush, who's having a lovely and charmed life, really has brought us such horror shows ever since. Homeland Security, which militarized local police departments everywhere. The Patriot Act, that's what brought us the NSA. And then just last night, President Obama announced that he is going to take the ISIS bucket challenge. Ugh. Violence begets violence begets violence. When will they learn this? But okay. If you feel like you've been davening for democracy all summer, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Here's what you can do. On Sunday, you can march in the People's Climate March. We've got to save this old planet. It goes on and on. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm back in New York. You're back to work. You're back to school. Have a great fall. Thanks for stopping by.